The coyote is a kit fox killer, responsible in part for their demise in most of America. Like the foxes, coyotes can become urbanized, learning to cash in on people's waste. In Bakersfield, they are still a rare sight, but that's not going to help the family today. The pups are distracted in their games, and he's primed for a kill. Grandma, the fox cub's guardian, spots the intruder and raises the alarm. Only Fred and Ginger are close enough to hear. The coyote is the kit fox's worst nightmare. And this boat hole is too shallow. Thanks to Grandma, Fred and Ginger escaped by the skin of their teeth. One of their sisters was not so lucky. More often than not, the coyote doesn't kill foxes for food, merely to eliminate competition for prey. Where there are no wolves, coyotes rise to the top of the food chain. It's a tragic blow to the family. To avoid a repeat disaster, the family move once more. Landscape design is something of a preoccupation to kit foxes, always renovating to make way for their growing brood. When complete, each home has a series of entrances and escapes. The foxes shift many times their own weight of dry, sandy soil. The burrows provide a cool hideout during the hottest parts of the day. The new site is closer to the university campus, a step further into Bakersfield. A noisier neighborhood presents new challenges. The pups aren't used to traffic, but curious by nature. They're fascinated by it. Curious, but cautious too. Fred and Ginger have built-in road awareness. But one of their older siblings keeps going back for more. And curiosity can kill. Kit foxes are shy, but perhaps not shy enough for their own good. Traffic takes a heavy toll. With so many dangers, their average lifespan in the wild is only 3 to 4 years.